Okay, Solana USDT, what's happening, guys? So overall, we know that we have like the major resistance that act as a resistance right now at $148, and the lower point was on a bigger time frame was like 117. The good thing is we are far from 117, and from the last lower high start to act after as a support trend line with a lower high, lower high, lower high all the way up, so that is good. We break on the way like a few trend line and few resistance, that's good. And now the EMA was acting as support, as you can see. Now the question, the $1 million question is, we start to get and rebouncing a bit in between this one. So the 21 EMA that was acting as a support start to acting as a resistance. We retest it, and it seems that now we start to get rejected. On a few other indicators, I can see as well that like we are like a bit overbought, or it won't just revisiting like some lower price. Now the local support that we want to revisiting is probably $135. So expect maybe some little bit of lower price. The main things, I don't mind if we go lower. I don't mind if it's go a bit sideways for a bit. I don't mind. The only thing is, until we don't break this trend line, we just need to wait and be patient. But the key ones is this trend line. We really don't want to break this one. Most of the times I kind of try to chase people, stop loss, and just kind of bounce underneath. So I'm totally fine with that. The thing, we've got like this break of structure here, and now has like a lower high, so this is great to see. So like I say, it's correct. It's very connected that as well. We can see like these two bound between like the 21 and the 50 EMA. So that's something that I want to see. I'm just gonna do like this, bam, 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 boom. That's better. So overall is this, we've got like few options. Are we just bouncing around this as a sideways and break this one and then revisiting like the 148? That's possibility. Are we go lower, rejected from the 21 EMA, revisiting like the 135 confluence as well with like a few other indicators among like the 50 EMA, and then we're revisiting and bounce back again on the trend line just to retest and say, okay, let's move away from this. That's one thing. The only one thing that I really don't want to see is that we break and we close a candle under this major one. If we lose the trend line, like we just need to readjusting after. When you're zooming out, like I say again, if we're losing here, expect lower price and maybe revisiting like $117, right? If not, we bounce again. It's gonna act as a magnet. It's gonna act like the money magnet at the 148. So time will tell, but overall, I think that's what's happening. Like I say, it seems that he want to go lower price. We're on Thursday. We still have like Friday, a low volatility. We don't have much interest opening in terms of like leverage and longs. So it's very easy to move the markets on the way up or down with 10 times less money to make and move this money, the market, right? So the interest is very low. And that's why we need to pay attention. That I will not be surprised that people get stopped out between the 50, rejected from the 50 all the way down to revisiting like 132-ish some weeks because they love hunting people, and then we bounce back from there. So just time will tell, guys. We just need to be patient. That's the little update, for Solana USDT. On the zooming out, I'm very bullish from the long terms, but on the short term, expect some maybe a bit of volatility, some rejections as a very key support and resistant area. And yes, don't forget just to like the video first of all if you found some value, and in the descriptions I've got like all the links for exchanges. If you want, we got some crypto deal from the dynamic Nexus crypto. So on that note, guys, have a fantastic day and talk to you soon. Goodbye, guys.